I Can Sing It Better is proudly brought to you by Zonse Lotto. Everything is possible. Zonse ndi Zodiak. Powered by Hi-Fi Electronics, your home for audio and visual equipment. And Salma Sugar, the sweet pride of Malawi. By Malawi for Malawi.
This is I Can Sing It Better and I am Alina Fechunga. Ma contestant athu ndithu wiki yatha nde anaipatsa moto. Ma judges lelo mukuyembekezera zotani.
So I can't wait for this one to see what they have prepared.
All right, Cindy, last week you were like, yeah, ndona kandabula nthawi yolakwika. Lelo li ukuyembekezera chani choka kwa ma contestants.
I hope they put on their still a game, cause yeah.
And Luke?
I think I'm looking forward to a lot of fun today.
All right.
Yeah.
Mosaretana nthawi titane contestant wathu oyambirira tsiku la lelo, Michelle.
Yeah.
Hi,
You're feeling okay?
I'm fine. Can I have a microphone stand?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, Michelle. What song are you doing today?
I'll be doing Happier by Olivia Rodrigo.
Okay, the floor is yours.
Thank you. We broke up a month ago. Your friends are mine, you know. I know you moved on, found someone new. One more girl who brings out the better in you. And I thought my heart was detached from all the sunlight of our past. But she's so sweet, she's so pretty. Does she mean you forgot about me? Oh, I hope you're happy, but not like how you were with me. I'm selfish, I know. I can't let you go. So find someone great, but don't find no one better. I hope you're happy, but don't be happier. And do you tell her she's the most beautiful girl you've ever seen? An eternal love bullcrap, you know you never mean. Remember when I believed you meant it when you said it first to me. And now I'm picking her apart, like cutting her down, make you miss Myra Elas. But she's beautiful, she looks kind, she probably gives you butterflies. I hope you're happy, but not like how you were with me. I'm selfish, I know. I can't let you go. So find someone great, but don't find no one better. I hope you're happy. I wish you all the best. Really say you love her, baby, just not like you love me. And think of me fondly when your hands around her. I hope you're happy, but don't be happier. Don't be happy without me. I hope you're happy, but not like how you were with me. I'm selfish, I know. I can't let you go. So find someone great, but don't find no one better. I hope you're happy, but don't be happier.
Okay. You wanna go first?
Yamban.
Michelle, this is the kind of a song that needs a lot of breath, right?
Yeah.
But you kept going on and going on. And I've seen a lot of improvement in how you listen to the instrumental. And hope you maintain that if you happen to go into the next stage.
Thank you.
Sure.
All right, Michelle. That was a nice performance. Look, why are you looking at me like that? Okay.
I wanted to say couldn't find kids.
Okay.
Yeah.
The pitch of this song, I feel like it was a bit higher with your tone of voice. But you did it so well. Yeah. That was really good. So keep on doing that. Komano, I think try to practice also other keys apart from the higher keys as well.
Yeah.
So that you should find your stability in your key. Sure.
Thank you.
That was nice.
Michelle,
Yes.
lero zativuta ndikudziwa amene wayimbira pakati paeti mano sindiuza kuti lero chachitika ndi chani mwina iwe ndi amene ungafotokoze komano ndikuwanga lero zativuta ine I can just say kuti mapoints ofunika kukonzani nakale mwina just do those 2-3 things if it happens kuti upitilira to the next round work on those areas chifukwa it's getting tough and tough, eh? Yeah, all the best.
Thank you so much.
I can sing it better.
Hi, Chikwande.
Hi,
How are you doing today?
good, and you?
I'm okay.
Thanks.
Makonzega.
Takonzega.
Alright.
Sure.
Modi yimbira nyimbo yanje lero.
Ndikuimba nyimbo imene tikunati falling in love with Jesus.
Okay.
Sure.
Timalizeni basi.
Are you ready to do that song?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You sure?
Yeah, sure.
You think it's your best choice today?
Sure.
Ah, beautiful.
Yeah.
All right.
Falling in love with Jesus. Falling in love with Jesus. Falling in love with Jesus was the best thing I've ever done. Yeah. Falling in love with Jesus. Falling in love with Jesus. Falling in love with Jesus was the best thing I've ever done. Yeah. In His arms I feel protected. In His arms, never been disconnected. In His arms, I feel protected. There's no place that I'd rather be. Falling in love with Jesus, yeah. Falling in love with Jesus, yeah. Falling in love with Jesus was the best thing I've ever done, yeah. In His arms I feel protected. In His arms never disconnected. In his arms I feel protected. There's no place I'd rather love be. Yeah, there's no places I'd rather love be. Yeah, there's no place I'd rather love be.
Chikondi.
So,
How does it feel?
oh, good.
You feel good?
Yeah, sure.
All right. I love the strength of your voice. Let me start with that. However, I had issues with diction. Right? This is the problem that a lot of us have when we are doing English songs. You would go G, za, we, not with, right? Another thing,
Okay.
did you practice?
Of course.
It's like you are singing it different. It's like two people singing the same song which is different.
Contemporary doesn't need to go.
It doesn't matter, but it's like it's like I'm playing a song and I don't know what I want to play. So next time you're coming with a guitarist, someone to back you, try to practice, right? Yeah.
Okay. Agunama, I choose to differ. Contemporary doesn't need to go straight as you say. Leave the guy alone.
But the notes were incomplete. Some instances.
Oh, okay. But then you're just fine. Chikondi,
Yes.
I love your voice. It's
Thanks.
very strong,
Thanks.
and it's really you. Mundinaoshi bago church, eh?
Of course.
So I think that was really good. The only thing that I can say is you have a strong voice, so make sure you use dynamics
Okay.
with your voice.
Okay.
There are places where nyimbo simafunika kukua bali bonsebo, yeah? So make sure you use that too kwambili.
Okay.
You know, you can go silent with the voice, but you still sing, yeah, bobo. So
Okay.
yeah, but it was all.
But it was good that your voice was so heavy so that the guitar doesn't distract us a lot.
Oh man.
Thanks so much.
Mankagamia. I say, I'll be lenient with you. For your good, I noted the same thing. Good, my chords, guitar guja. I would just say the next time, ugamabweraso, it's either mubange nyimbo yokuti with your guitar player, ata chords aga kwatsata buno bwino, or just choose a different song.
Okay.
Yeah, komano ugadusa going past this stage. Those are the elements zimene tizafuna tizaone kwambiri.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thanks.
all the best.
Thanks.
I can sing it better.
Hi Funio,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
Good. Tembekezelezo lani leo.
I will try my best.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nyimbo
More than a song by dancing.
tena.
You're singing an English song today. I was expecting another Malawian song, but it'll be good to hear you sing something
All
different.
right, all right.
Before you start, breathe. This is your stage. Yes.
Let's go.
I have more than a song. Today I brought myself. I am the sacrifice. I have more than a song. Today I brought myself. I am your worship. I have more than a song today. I block myself. I am your sacrifice. I have more than a song today. I brought myself. I am your worship. Receive this living sacrifice. I am your worship. Lord, accept this living sacrifice. I am your worship. I have more than a song today. I blown myself. I am the sacrifice. I have more than a song today. I am your worship. I have more than a song today. I brought myself. I am your worship. Receive this living sacrifice. I am your worship. Accept this living sacrifice. I am your worship. Lord, accept your worship. Lord, receive this living sacrifice. Your worship. Lord, accept this living sacrifice. I am your worship.
Kuipatsa
Funio.
moto.
Timpangeso. If I going to tesa nati. Okay. Can I start?
Yeah, please go ahead.
All right. There's a reason why I want to start not Helen. There's a reason. No, Helen just came today, so she doesn't know where you're coming from.
Last week.
If you ask me, you've surprised me. Twice you sang. That was Les Chinga and who else?
Princess.
Princess.
Princess and
It's
Grace
slow.
Jinga.
When you did those songs, you were in your own world. But today you've proved to me that you can do anything.
Thank you.
Of course, I'm here to see what else you can do. But the other thing is the challenges that you took when you're singing this song. You know, people would hold back, right? But you're like, let me come out. So that for me was a plus. So I enjoyed your performance today.
Okay, I mean, I'm not go last week, so.
Okay, I think my interest in the tone bazungu kabe kuti mbali ma controls kuti tone ichezituluka yokongola yabwino echere. Why am I saying this? Because ndikuona ma contestants ena amene ukupikisana nawo ma level amene ali and ma skills amene akubwera ndikuzazo kuti it's gonna be tough and tough. Yeah.
I love your energy. Yeah, I love your energy. But one thing that I can say is I also struggle with vibrato. It's not a bad thing, it's a good thing, but just work on that. Not everywhere is vibrato needed, sure. But I love your energy. I love, the song as well. One more thing as well, ear training. I think unaita ya nyimbo goyambilira. Yeah. koma unazaitolera pa chorus. Sure.
All the best. Sure.
I can sing it better.
Play like a champion. Sinta moyo wako. It's your day to win. Usampata win. Agreed it to moyo wako. Dati play like a champion. Sinta moyo wako. It's your day to win. Usampata win. Agreed it to moyo wako.
Muzanena koma zizindikiro zisakhalapo ndi zonse loto zonse ndi Zodiak. Afrigaming International ndi yovomerezedwa ndi Malawi Gaming and Lotteries Authority. Masewero amaheri atha kuyambitsa chizolowezi chomwe chikhoza kuyika moyo wanu pa chiopsezo. 18+. Sewerani mosamala.
Hi, and welcome to Hi-Fi Electronics. Most of you have been shopping with us for over 20 years, whether it be for musical instruments, electronics, or appliances for home or office use, all from top quality original brands. We are now excited to announce that we are moving from our Area 3 location by NBS Bank to this, South Park Mall, some 200 meters away from our old location. For directions, if you are coming from Lilongwe Post Office in Area 3, head up the road past NBS Bank. Continue to the T-junction by Total Filling Station. Take a right and you'll find South Park Mall on your left. We look forward to welcoming you to our new location at Hi-Fi Electronics.
I can sing it better.
Hello. Tell us your name and the song that you're doing today.
I'm Wanu, and I'll be singing Don't You Remember by Adele.
All right. Feel free, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much. When will I see you again? You left with no goodbye, not a single word was said. No final kiss to seal any sins. I had no idea of the state we were in. I know I have a fickle heart, a bitterness, a wandering eye, and a heaviness in my head. But don't you remember? Don't you remember the reason you loved me before? Baby, please remember me once more. When was the last time you thought of me? Or have you completely erased me from your memory? I often think about where I went wrong. The more I do, the less I know. But I know I have a fickle heart and a bitterness, a wandering eye and a heaviness in my head. But don't you remember?
kept my distance so you would be free. And I hope you find that missing piece to bring you back to me. Why don't you remember? Don't you remember the reason you loved me before? Baby, please remember me once more. When will I see you again?
Maybe in the next round.
You see her again in the next round.
Helen, you can start that one.
All right, Wanu, that was nice. I love the pitch. I will try as much as possible to practice my different types of pitching. Yeah, I think you can do better than today. Sure.
Hey, Wanu. Not a bad performance, but I expected to hear something more beautiful than what I had today. And when you moved to the part where the song transposes, a little bit, you kind of struggled to get back to yourself. A little bit of a flat. That wasn't too much, but if it happens that you go to the next round, please, you need to work hard. But that was beautiful. Yeah, overall. That's why I say maybe in the next round.
Well, nyimbo imene waimba choyambirira, it's not just a simple and straightforward song. In the nyimbo ili ndi ma fluctuations apa ndi apa makey akusintha iri. So it's not just a simple song. Koma ndikuona kuti you did your best. Ineyo my advice I always say kuti get rid of the mentality yoganiza ngati kuti wena upeze nyimbo yovuta kwambiri. You know, you can do a simple song and it should be fine. Eh? All the best.
I can sing it better.
Yeah, that's what she.
Hi, Worship.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Hi.
I always love the way you present yourself on stage. Yeah, you say hi, and a smile. How are you today?
I'm nervous. I'm
What?
scared.
The way you come on stage greeting everybody and you say
I'm
you're
always
nervous.
nervous.
No, you shouldn't be. You shouldn't be nervous. That's your stage, that's your mic, you've got your song that you want to sing. So, yeah, we're here to enjoy. Right? So what song are you doing today?
Like Skyscraper by Demi Lovato.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, we're ready to enjoy you singing.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Skies are crying, I am watching, catching teardrops in my hands. Only silence has its ending, like we never had a chance. Do you have to make me feel like there is nothing left to me? You can take everything I have. You can break everything I am, like I'm made of glass, like I'm made of paper. Go on and try to tear me down. I will be rising from the ground like a skyscraper. Like a skyscraper, I
As the smoke clears, I awaken and untangle you from me. Does it make you feel better to watch me while I bleed? Oh, my windows still are broken, but I'm standing on my feet. You can take everything I have, you can break everything I am, like you're made of glass, like you're made of paper. Go on and try to tear me down. I will be rising from the ground like a skyscraper, like a skyscraper. Go run, run, run. I'm gonna stay right here, watch you disappear. Yeah, go run, run, run. Yeah, it's a long way down, but I am closer to the way up here. You can take everything I have, you can break everything I am, like you're made of glass, like you're made of paper. Go on and try to tear me down. I will be rising from the ground like a skyscraper, like a skyscraper, like a skyscraper, like a skyscraper. Thank you.
Can you say thank you again?
Thank you.
I will tell you the reason why I said say thank you again.
When I move for this.
No.
Oh, wow. Worship.
Yes.
That was nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. How old are you?
I'm 18.
You know when she was singing, what was going in my mind is today I'm gonna ask her how old are you? Exactly.
All right, so we're in the same spirit. Okay, I would be wrong, but I'm guessing Mwina, it's something to do with Mwina voice development, because your voice is just fine. And Mwina ndi nyimbo imene Mwina ikuyeneka kuti you should go low range and then high range, but I feel you'd really do good with low range voice when singing. You can just Mwina pitch up there and there, but then come back to Mwina low ranges.
Okay.
Yeah, because I feel when you started singing, that low range took me out. You know, like yeah. So, but everything else was really good. You did a really good performance.
Thank
I love
you.
your tone. It's still developing. I am thinking it's still developing.
Thank you.
But yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Okay. You've already mentioned how old you are. The reason why I said, can you say thank you again, is because I wanted to appreciate your speaking voice, right? Because I was trying to understand, okay, is that a falsetto or that's her voice, right? Just as she said, maybe the voice is still developing, and that's the reason why she asked you, how old are you? However, I loved how you colored the song, how you understood the song. Like, okay, here I need to go low, right?
Yeah.
Here I need to go slow. Here I need to go high. That did it for me. But I don't know, maybe it's your voice, but I would really want to have more richness in your vocal tone.
There's no warmth when I did it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank
Otherwise, you did a very good job.
you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Worship. I said, Usamvera, our age is just a number of Usamvera. There is not so much to write home about. Ndi makuzwira we kutengera mpambuyo budget and ukuzazoti ulindika nervousness oti ndili muka semi-final stage chan ndifike finals komano mwina next time ungati utazabwereso just work on those areas, the confidence yako, tone and all that. And nakali zambiri koma wishing you all the best.
Thank you.
And why are you scaring her?
Kode, she's just stating she can come next year, the other year.
I can sing it better.
So, just remind us your name and the song you're going to be doing today.
My name is Frank Maunga.
Frank.
And I'll be doing Arcade by Duncan Lawrence.
Please, bring it on.
A broken heart is all that's left. I'm still fixing all the cracks. Lost a couple of pieces when I carried it home. I'm afraid of all I am. My mind feels like a foreign land. Silence ringing inside my head. Please carry me home. I spent all of the love I saved. We were always a losing game. Small town boy in a big arcade. I got addicted to a losing game. All I know, loving you is a losing game. How many pennies in this life? Giving us up didn't take a lot. I saw the end for it begun. Still I carried on. All I know, loving you is a losing game. All I know, loving you is a losing game. I don't need your games, game over. Please get me off this roller coaster. No. All I know, loving you is a losing game. All I know, loving you is a losing game. Thank you. Yes.
You make singing sound easy or look easy. I love how you deliver your singing with calmness. But you know what happens sometimes when you're driving on a beautiful road, and when you hit a pothole, just once, you would easily recognize that, right?
Exactly.
So what am I trying to say? On 2 points, you almost lost me, because I'm listening to this voice and then it goes off. I don't know if my friends got that, but make sure that you maintain that attention with your what I call inner ear, that music ear.
Yes.
So that you don't distract those who are listening to you.
All right.
But I like you, man.
Thank you.
Sure.
Hi, Frank.
Hello.
I just feel like there's so much more to your voice. It's because I'm listening to you, Banoba guy Goyamba. And I just felt like your dynamics just went with how the song flows.
All right.
Not how Frank would take up the song if it was his. So I just feel like there was more to you. There would have been more if you just let your voice out.
All
I
right.
know it's a somber kind of song.
What else did you want to hear?
Yes, but then there's the O part. O part you can exaggerate it in any way.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
For me, I think I enjoyed the song.
Thank you.
I enjoyed, but I think I would have just loved maybe when I was really good on one position. Yeah, maybe that's your style. It just helps to be anyway. Put the expression in right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So far, I think I loved it.
Thank you.
Yeah. Wishing you all the best, I say.
Thank you. Thank you.
I can sing it better.
From the sweat and determination of our hard-working farmers through the rich soils of Salima emerges Malawi's finest sugar cane. This exceptional cane is processed with care to bring you Salima Sugar, the true test of Malawian sweetness. Crafted with pride by Malawians, Salima Sugar brings a touch of local excellence to your kitchen. Each packet you buy supports thousands of cane growers and countless jobs, all working passionately to deliver this premium product right to your table. Whether you're baking a special treat, running a tea room, brewing toba for a celebration, or simply adding a touch of sweetness to your coffee, trust Salima Sugar to deliver the best results. Produced with the pristine waters of Lake Malawi, Salima Sugar, 100% Malawian, 100% pure sweetness. Buy Salima Sugar, trust Salima Sugar, and savor our undiluted sweetness today. Salima Sugar, Kuzuna.
Like a champion, sinta moyo wako. It's your day to win, usampata win, agree to tamoyo wako. That they play like a champion, sinta moyo wako. It's your day to win, usampata win, agree to tamoyo wako.
Muzanena koma zizindikiro zisakhalapo ndi zonse loto zonse ndi Zodiak. Afrigaming International ndiyo vomerezedwa ndi Malawi Gaming and Lotteries Authority. Masewero amahiri atha kuyambitsa chizolowezi chomwe chikhoza kuyika moyo wanu pa chiopsezo. 18+. Sewerani mosamala.
I can sing it better.
Hi.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Myra Elas.
Hey, what are you singing for us today?
Today I will be singing Location by Khaled.
All right. Okay, the stage is yours.
Thank you. Yeah. Won't you send me your location? Let's
Focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you. This is new to me, this is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall for you. Gather my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage, don't leave my heart damaged. To understand that things go a little bit better when you plan it. So won't you send me your location, let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place. Won't you send me the location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but I don't wanna fall in love after subtweets. So let's get personal. I got a lot of cool spots that we can go. Tell me what's the vibe and I got you. I'm only acting like this 'cause I like you. So let's ride for the night, you and I. So won't you send me your location, let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you, yeah. Ride, 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 come and vibe with me tonight. I don't need nothing else but you. No, no, no. Ride, 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 come and vibe with me. I don't need nothing else but you. Boy, I don't need na 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 na.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Thank you. But
Where do you even start from?
okay, happens is
Okay.
No.
I can start.
Antungadawa ndamina akumpangisa kuimba kumaoneka kophweka. She's so free, so natural.
Are you trying to say like not what I said, like could you, because I said mubangisa kuimba kuoneka kophweka. What's that? Mutanda zori neyo nena zoai.
And you can see kuti no struggles.
Yeah.
In voice projection and the dynamics. So Myra, that was great.
Thank
you. I enjoyed the performance.
I will say this, in this round, I've heard a lot of similar voices and similar singers, same style. So when you got on stage, I was like, okay, let me hear what's gonna come out, because I was like, oh, same style. you understand me? But if you ask me, this is beautiful.
Thank you so much.
I mean, I've got nothing.
Oh wow! I saw you on when you're doing your sound check. I was like, okay. That was nice.
Thank you so much.
The
really
sound
nice.
check on this.
Actually, the Rogation song. I was like, okay, this is Rogation. You brought. I think you brought the creativity in the song.
Owning it, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's the creativity that I think I Can Sing It Better is looking for. So I think keep it up.
Thank you so much.
Keep it up.
All the best.
All the best.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I can sing it better.
Hi.
Hi.
Tracy, how are you?
Good, and yourself?
I'm doing great.
Why do you look scared? You're not scared, eh? I love that.
Trace lero madibwetsa zoka
Ndikufuna ndiyimbe.
from imbe. Okay, nyimbo yanji mene.
Nyimbo imene ndiyalemba ndisimenti.
Kodi mic you
The microphone.
Mwina ikale pafupi ndikama. Yeah. Mad nyimbo?
Ndikuoneni.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tena.
Ndikuoneni, Baba, ndikuoneni, jalia zima iwaliteni Baba, Baba, ndikuoneni, Baba, ndikuoneni, Baba, ndikuoneni, jalia zima iwaliteni Baba, Mama, ndikuoneni, mkale Jehova Rapha, mkale Jehova Nisi, mkale Jehova Jireh, Baba, ndikuoneni, mkale Jehova Rapha, mkale Jehova Nisi, mkale Jehova Jireh, Baba, ndikuoneni, Yehova ndikuoneni, moyo wanga Yahweh, iliyazima iwaliteni Baba, Baba, ndikuoneni, yeah, yeah. Yasimanyalianga iwaleso kachugena yawe yakesonyali ilandile moyo baba baba ndikuoneni yawe baba
Thank you, Lord, indeed.
Thank you, Lord.
Amen.
I love good you owned the song, yeah? And I'm sure good in your environment, you were like, somebody's backing me up somewhere. That is really good. Thank you for taking this song and making it yours. That's what I can say. Everything else was really good. Your voice is really strong. I love the dynamics that you could go high and then you could really land on the key. Bwino. As many as just don't have Nazima Voda Netu. So yeah, keep on doing that.
Thank you.
Komaro say you can play around with the song. The dynamics. Hey, and that was powerful. Yeah. Muntu wakuti nyimbo sana available atakutagasika. Afuna ga imvele mpaka na apange na worship. So if it happens, Kuti, you go past this stage, keep it up.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi Trace, I'm laughing. All right. You have a beautiful voice.
Thank you.
Right? But I said this last time. Build a song. Take people through the song. I know we have got these skills, but then use the skills at the right time and right place. I know this is a competition, but sometimes it's good to take people on a musical journey. Slowly build up and then, you understand?
Yeah.
That was beautiful. All the best and hoping to see you again.
Thank you.
Sure.
I can sing it better.
What a round. And can I call the contestants back on stage, please? Welcome back on stage, guys. All right, and now I'll call upon Myra, Frank, Michelle, Chikondi, and Worship to come in front, please. All right. For some of you, your journey ends here, and for some of you, your journey continues. So I'm going to start with Myra. Could you please step backwards? You're still in the competition. Up next, we have Chikondi. Unfortunately, this is the end of the journey for you. And Michelle, for you as well, your journey ends right here. That leaves me with Frank and Worship. How are you feeling?
Yeah.
And Frank, how are you feeling?
Tensed.
All right. Worship, unfortunately, your journey ends here as well. And Frank, that means you're still in the competition. Yeah, so may I ask the three of you guys to...
Hey, I want to ask something.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Maybe they can get back to the places where they are. I want them to sing. You know Heal the World, right? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, so I want you to sing it as a group.
Microphone, will that be?
No, I think we're going to hear them.
Okay. But it will be recorded.
And there goes Michelle.
Make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and
That's beautiful.
All right, and that's it from I Can Sing It Better. The journey continues. We now have our top 10 from the 5 that we got last week and the 5 that we have today. I am Alina Fechunga and continue watching Zodiac Television.
I can sing it better.
Brought to you by Zonse Lotto. Everything is possible. Zonse Ndizoteka. Powered by Hi-Fi Electronics, your home for audio and visual equipment. And Salma Sugar, the sweet pride of Malawi. By Malawi for Malawi.